Let's start with the eyes. Same distance on both sides, that's what holds the proportions together. When you outline, clean up those shape details as you go. Once the color goes in, she really starts to come to life. Erase whenever you need to. No stress. That's part of drawing. The body stays really simple too. Just take it step by step. And there she is.